Ikaw ba isang empleyado na kulang ang kinikita, nawalan, or nangangamba na mawala ng trabaho?
It's time for you to reconsider na magkaroon ng sariling online business.
By the way, my name is Ed, and his name is Macau. And may gusto kaming ipakita sa'yo na 100% online business na pwede mo ring pagkakitaan. Ito ay isang e-commerce business na merong in-demand and winning products na pwede mo ring ibenta online. At ang maganda dito, ang business na ito ay tumatanggap ng cash on delivery. Kung ikaw ay nagbebenta ng any products online, then dito sa business na ito, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-stock ng products at ipadala ang orders sa customers mo kasi company na ang gagawa nito para sa'yo. And the good news is, we will be providing you your own e-commerce store for free. Alright? Kaya I'm very excited to share this business with you. But before that, I have a quick question for you.